2025 brought sweeping changes to California's eviction laws, shaking the rental market to its core. While these changes aim to protect tenants, they've left landlords feeling vulnerable, especially when dealing with tenants who refuse to pay. New laws expanded tenant protections, making the eviction process longer, costlier, and riskier for landlords. Here's what you need to know. Extended eviction timelines. Tenants now have up to 26 days or more to respond to an eviction notice, often without paying rent during this period. A broken eviction court system. Landlords must wait long periods of time with unnecessary delays and continuances, which can stretch into months before gaining possession of their property. And stronger squatter protections. Squatters can now claim tenant rights faster, even if they've occupied your property illegally. These laws may have good intentions, but they've created loopholes that some tenants exploit, leaving landlords with their hands tied. Imagine this. You're stuck with a tenant who hasn't paid rent in months. You're drowning in mortgage payments, property taxes, and maintenance costs while they exploit the system. And because of 2025's laws, your options are limited. That's where Squatter Lockout comes in, a cutting-edge service designed to protect landlords from non-paying tenants and squatters, all while using procedural law and statutes within the California law to get your property back. Squatter Lockout offers rapid legal support. Our team of experts helps you navigate the complex eviction process, saving you time and stress. On-the-ground assistance. We work to verify tenant statuses and regain control of your property quickly and efficiently. Custom solutions. Every case is different, and we tailor our approach to your specific needs. With Squatter Lockout, you don't have to feel powerless.
Squatter Lockout turned a nightmare into a manageable situation. They helped me get my property back without the months of headaches.
Don't let the new laws leave you stranded. Squatter Lockout is here to help you regain control of your property and protect your livelihood. Visit squatterlockout.com or call us today to learn more. Your property, your rights, your peace of mind. Be sure to like, subscribe, and comment, and stay tuned for more hacks. Let me know if you'd like more details. Leave your questions in the comment section.